what is up YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this amazing espresso coffee machine. I bought mine from Argo, so you can get yours from there too. And by the way, before we start this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. During quarantine, I really missed going outside to McDonald's and Starbucks, so I bought this amazing coffee machine, and let me tell you what, no regrets at all. It is absolutely worth it. It did save me a lot of money instead of going to McDonald's and Starbucks every day, and it also kept me safe because, as you know, there's a whole pandemic going on right now, and how we have to wear masks and stay like 2 meters away from each other. So this was absolutely worth it. I absolutely love it, and I really recommend you guys to get it. Like, oh my god, I have like no words for it right now. As you can see right here, we're getting the machine ready so we can like make some coffee. You're probably wondering what this is. We put water in it so like we could make the coffee. You just put water in it and it does the job itself. There's also buttons on the machine so you can choose what type of heat you want. If you like want to turn it off, turn it on. If you're heating up milk, if you're heating up like anything, I absolutely love it. As you can see right here, the machine came with a coffee crusher and coffee beans. The coffee beans are like amazing, and the coffee crusher too, because you don't have to buy already crushed from the store. You can just make your own ones, which I absolutely love about this machine. And yes, it did come with the coffee crusher. We didn't buy the coffee crusher, it came with the box itself. So as you can see right here, it's crushing the beans and does the job perfectly, which is why you should get this instead of wasting your money on the ones from the store, because this saves you a lot of money and it also tastes really good because it's fresh and delicious. As you can see right here, we inserted the cocoa beans into the machine so we could make the coffee itself and the plate under the cup. If anything falls to the side or like doesn't like get into the cup, you can always take it off and clean under it, which is amazing, so it doesn't like smell bad or anything. And right now we're gonna make the skimmed milk, and if you're gonna make it, I recommend you to not get anything else other than whole milk, whole blue milk. Not get Don't get the green one, don't get the green ones or the red ones. I get the blue ones because those are the best ones to make it with. Right now we're skimming the milk, and as you can see, it becomes very fluffy and tastes also really good, and it looks very delicious. The skimmer is doing this job very well, and when you're done you can just turn it off with the button you just saw. We poured the milk into a cup and then put the coffee on top, and this is how like you can make your own coffee at home with this machine. It tastes exactly like Starbucks and McDonald's, which is why I recommend you guys to buy this because it's worth the money. And no, if you're wondering, this is not a sponsorship or anything. Like, this is just my own honest opinion on this product. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell. Bye guys.